Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Ford Focus 3rd generation MK3. This should cover 2012 to 2017-18. And if your brake light switch does not work, okay, we're going to show you which fuse to check. If your brake lights do not work, there is a fuse that actually corresponds for the brake light switch. The brake light switch is located on the brake pedal. We have a video how to remove and replace it. Okay, it's all the way underneath, hidden right here. That blue thing that you see, okay, it's right there. You have a cruise control switch, I believe, and a brake light switch. And if your brake lights do not work, it could be the switch, it could be the fuse, but check the fuse first. We have a video how to test the brake light switch as well, so make sure guys you subscribe to the channel. Also, in addition, we will have more than 200 videos on this car, so please subscribe for more videos. And if you need help with anything, drop a comment below and we'll try to make a video for your specific problem. So now this is the fuse box right here, engine compartment fuse box. We need to open it by okay, there is a tab on the back side that you need to push towards the back and lift up at the same time, and you remove that cover. This is the tab right here. On the back side you can find the numbers of the fuses, and in our case we need to locate fuse number 21. Okay, right here, F21. This is the fuse that we need. For the small fuses we can use that fuse puller right here. All we have to do, push that clip to the side, okay, so you can disconnect the fuse puller like that. Now, in our case, F21, this one will be the second fuse in this row from top to bottom, and it's, in our case, 5 fuse. You can see on the inside, okay, right here, it says the numbers of the fuses too with very small thin letters. Okay, this is the fuse, and as you can see, it seems fine. The element inside doesn't seem burned, but I would recommend to test it with a voltmeter, and I'm going to show you how, because sometimes you cannot tell if they're burnt or not. If it's a small burnt piece, it's hard to tell. So I'll get the voltmeter now. We'll set it to continuity right here. Okay, on the bottom side, we'll go to right here. And we're going to test the element and see if it has communication. Now, if the fuse is not blown, it's like touching these two lead pieces. You have connection. It'll go down to 0. If it's blown, it's going to show 1. So check it out now. One terminal on one pole, the other one on the other one. Our fuse is good, guys. So this is the fuse for the brake light switch, number 21 in our case, for this 2014 Ford Focus. So when you're ready to install it, just push it in. Okay, make sure you put everything back together in reverse order. We took it apart, and see you guys next time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.